So here we are in Cardiff outside St John's Church, and it's time for Peace on Earth for everyone. And we'd like to take this opportunity to say hello to all our YouTube subscribers. And since it's the time of Peace on Earth, we're just wondering what a massive horrible tank is doing in the middle of our capital city. There you go, we'll take a close-up of it. As you know, Cymru Reid Welsh Republicans have been opposed to the war in Iraq from the start. In 2001 we had candidates in all seats in the Independent Wales Party, and we campaigned for troops to withdraw from Afghanistan. Latest figures from Afghanistan show that in terms of Taliban-held territory, 87% at the start of the war was held by the Taliban, and now, as Gordon Brown says that the war in Afghanistan should be wound up, there's still 75% of the territory is controlled by the Taliban. So it makes you wonder really why so many people have died in Afghanistan. It also makes you wonder when the war is going to end, because young lives are being lost. Operation Dragon's Tooth is a campaign by the British Army to visit schools, and the schools that it visits in Wales are in the poorest areas. A representative from the British Army is twice as likely to visit a school from a socially deprived area as a school from a rich area. In other words, if you're poor, just come, pay money to the Crown, you can have a future, you can have a job, you just have to learn to kill people. It's Comrade Fluffy Dragon for Cymru Reid YouTube. Wygodnie to.